To charge your GoPro camera, open the door on the side, just right here, and see the USB-C connection just right here. Well, connect it, and then a few seconds later, you should see that red LED turn on, meaning that it's charging. You can also see it on the other side. But you're asking, what do I connect this cable to? Well, it can be anything. It can be those cheap brick wall. Those one doesn't matter. As soon as you can connect it, USB is a standard. You cannot break your device by connecting it into a wrong USB adapter, because there is no wrong USB adapter. However, if you read the little character over here, you might realize that they don't have all the same wattage and all those things, because some are better quality than other and will charge your device faster. So that's the only thing it can change. If you want to get something great, there is this one that I like. It's the Anchor Prime. I left a link into the description if you want to get it. You have basically 3 USB-C connection, 1 USB-A, and it's a 150 watt charger that can be shared between those port. But if you want to go fast, that's the guy you want when you travel. So I hope this was helpful.